This video will demonstrate the use of special tools, Crowfoot Flare Nut Wrench and Pipe Spanner. These tools are used to loosen or tighten the high-pressure pipes used in fuel system of diesel engines. Crowfoot Flare Nut Wrench is used on the pipe connections located on the common rail. Pipe Spanner is used on the pipe connections located on the injectors and high-pressure pump. Using Crowfoot Flare Nut Wrench and Pipe Spanner. Removal of high-pressure pipes. Before loosening any connection on the high-pressure fuel line, release the fuel pressure in the line by deactivating the fuel pump with the help of SDT. Turn off the ignition switch and disconnect negative cable of the battery. To loosen a connection of the pipe connected to common rail, install the special tool Crowfoot Flare Nut Wrench on the union nut. Attach suitable tools to the special tool as shown and loosen the joint. To loosen the connection of the pipe connected to injector, install the special tool Pipe Spanner on the union nut. Attach suitable tools to the special tool as shown. To avoid damage to the pipe while loosening, use an appropriate size of open-end spanner on the injector side of connection. Loosen the joint and remove the tools. Loosen the union nuts of the pipe fully and remove it from the engine. Plug the openings by using appropriate plug or cap from the fuel system plug set. Similarly, all the other pipes can be removed. Installation of high-pressure pipes. Always use new pipes at the time of installation. To install the pipe, tighten both the union nuts by hand. Use of special tool to tighten the union nut extends the length of torque wrench. Hence, the actual torque applied on the nut is more than the torque shown by the torque wrench. Calculate the torque to be indicated by the torque wrench. To calculate, measure the length of special tool and torque wrench. Length of special tool is also given in the service manual. Use the formula shown, where M is torque indicated by the torque wrench, T is the specified torque as per service manual, L is the length of the torque wrench and A is the length of the special tool. For example, the specified torque T to tighten connection on common rail is 28 Newton meter. Length of the torque wrench L is 0.3 meter and the length of special tool A is 0.02 meter. The torque indicated by torque wrench M will be 26.2 Newton meter. Using torque wrench, tighten the union nut up to the calculated torque value as shown. remove the torque wrench and the special tool from the union nut. Similarly, calculate the torque indicated by torque wrench to tighten the connections on the injectors. Tighten the union nut up to the calculated torque value as shown. Advantages and benefits. These special tools help in easy access to the high-pressure fuel pipe connections and avoid slippage of tool while loosening or tightening them. This prevents damage to components and reduces risk of injuries. These tools also help to tighten these connections at specified torque. This prevents leakage of fuel from connections.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.